To clean around the print cap, select the printer maintenance icon on the touch panel. Then cleaning the maintenance parts, then wiping around the cap, then select Start. After a few moments, the printer will move the printhead assembly to the left, providing access to the cap assembly for cleaning. Open the right side ink bay door, then release the printhead cover using the latch on the bottom of the cover and slide right to remove. Next, flip open the front cover of the printer. The interior light will turn on. Using an Epson cleaning stick, very gently remove the ink from each of the cap channels one by one, making sure to clean all channels and remove all debris. Use additional new cleaning sticks if needed. Once finished, close the front cover of the printer and reattach the head cover. Slide the printhead cover to the left and be sure it is latched in place. Close the right ink bay cover, then press Done on the touchscreen, and the cap cleaning is done. Don't leave the printer in the cap cleaning state, printhead off home position, for too long. To manually clean the edges of the printhead, never the surface, select the printer maintenance icon from the main menu. Scroll down on the menu system, then select Cleaning the maintenance parts, then select Wiping the printhead. Select Start, and then the printer will be ready for cleaning in just a few moments. Unlatch and remove the rear head cover on the back of the printer and use an Epson cleaning stick to gently remove the ink from around the printhead. Do not scrub or touch the surface, and use a single motion to clean each edge. Replace the back cover on the printer, and then press Done on the control panel. That completes the cleaning process.